Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add and remove controls from the control center on your iPad running iOS 18. So the first step is to swipe down from the top right corner to access your control center. Then from here you should see all the controls that you have currently. To customize it, simply long press on the control center. Then from here you can now start editing. To remove controls, you should notice a minus icon next to each of them. Simply tap on it and the control will be removed from the control center. If you wish to add them, then select the option Add a Control at the bottom. Then choose which controls that you want to add. You can also choose to search for them at the top. And so it's up to you to decide which controls that you want to add. When you're happy with the controls that you've added, just tap on any space on your screen and then the controls will be set. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.